Hi guys, today I am lining these 15-pound slabs. So I'm not like the master of eyeballing it yet. On these big ones, the 5-pounders I am. I know how much paper I need, so we'll just see how this goes here. I like to use these little blue sticky things so on my molds, because then it holds the paper in really well. I'm going to try to talk a little bit louder because it'll probably be crinkly with this. And I've got this bulk freezer paper here too. Always shiny side up. Tuck that in. I'm going to put a little tape down there because it keeps wanting to curl up. Just enough to hold it in place there. Really crease those corners in. Sometimes in these 15-pounders, I've been having problems with rounded corners. Come on, tape, stick. So I'm trying to really crease them in there and also make 4 sections of paper instead of just one here, and then a full sheet across, so that there's not drag once I put that soap in there. And I'm also tweaking my recipe a little bit more because I found I can't just double my the triple, I mean my 5-pound recipe. It's just too darn wet and it takes a lot longer to cure. So I had to sit down and really think it through. Discount the water some. Recheck my fragrance oil amount. Make sure everything was all lined up. So I had to tweak some on it. So today I'll be doing a new recipe on that. And we'll see how that goes, and hopefully it won't be so darn wet, so we don't have to have longer cure times here. That's the last thing I need. That's too short. One more here. Today I'm going to make some chai tea soap, which is a really nice fall soap, and rosemary pepper. Sometimes when you get over 40, you forget what you were doing 5 minutes ago. So I pulled out the oils that I was going to use, and I've already forgot which ones I was making. I also have to order a ton of product in today too. More essential oils, and I'm going to make, because this wants to keep curling up. Major problems here. The paper. Tape that down a little bit here. I'll have to pour thick so it doesn't go into these folds. I don't know what really the answer is here, because if I make it all one sheet, then, like I said, it'll get drag on the corners, and the corners will end up more rounded, which now it looks like it wants to do that, so I gotta take this tape back off here. It's kind of been a fiasco with these 15-pound molds, just because of the paper issue. Otherwise, it's awesome making big batches. But I just want to make sure those corners stay like super nice and tight in here. So I'm just kind of rolling my tape, and then whatever edges are sticking up, I'm sticking some tape under that so that they lay flatter and down. Okay. I've got those bad boys lined. I've got some fragrance oils here. I'm going to go in my cupboard and pray that I have enough lye, which looks like slim pickings. So I've got to run to town and get more lye. I went through a ton of that. Let's see if I got any more in the cupboards up here. No. So I am down to the wire. I'm also going to pick out my colorants here. I don't recall if the chai had vanilla in it. I think it did. so I might just leave that be. And the rosemary pepper, I usually use a green. I might use apple moss today. I need to get some more colorants too. I'm kind of running slim on this. And then for the pepper effect, sorry, still getting used to my colors. I think I might use some of these poppy seeds in here too. They look pretty cool. So yeah, stay tuned for chai tea video and rosemary pepper coming up. I gotta run to town and get some more lye though. So thanks for watching.